guys, and welcome back to Hike Oregon. In today's video, I'm going to unbox my second Nomadik subscription box. If you haven't seen my first Nomadik unboxing video, I will link that right up here as well as in the description below. Go ahead and watch that if you want. And last year I did also unbox numerous Karen subscription boxes. I had a 6-month subscription for the Karen box. And this time with Nomadik box, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to really try out the products and then insert footage before I unbox the new box of all the stuff that I used from last month's box. So I did try out everything from last month's box except the Tecnu and the Gear Fix tape, because I don't have any gear to fix right now. I couldn't try that, but the Gear Fix tape is going into my first aid kit for my PCT trip, so I will probably use that at some point during my trip. Everything else I did try out, so I will insert that footage right here, and then I'll unbox this month's Nomadik box. So I have taken this water bladder that I got in my Nomadik box on like 3 or 4 hikes now, and I really enjoy it. Actually, it was super easy to fill up. The locking mechanism works really well. This has never opened in my pack. It does not leak. The hose is really nice and long, and what I really like about the bite valve here is this locking mechanism. I have a locking mechanism on mine, but it is different than this one. So with this one, you can see here you just push up to unlock, and then you bite down on this and you suck the water out, and then when you just want to lock it, you just put that down, so there's no twisting or anything like that. Again, it has this magnet. Now this is the other side to that magnet. You can put this on your backpack strap so that if you want to clip that on and wear it so that it's kind of like across your chest, you can do that. So yeah, I really like this. I took this hose out when I filled it up because this was already like strung into my backpack and everything, and it's super convenient, doesn't leak at all. You can just unclip that, fill up your bladder, clip it back in, put the bladder back in. You don't have to thread this hose through your backpack every time. I am trying the Scratch Labs exercise hydration mix. Yesterday I went on a really long hike and I got quite sunburned, and so ever since then I have had some stomach issues and feeling really dehydrated. So even though I didn't just exercise, or I'm not exercising right now, I'm going to try out this drink mix. So it sounds like it does make it fizzy. So I filled up my water bottle with this. Let's try it. Okay, maybe it's not fizzy. The flavor is really subtle. I mean, granted, it is a 40-ounce water. It probably shouldn't be put in a 40-ounce water, but I also don't like it super intense and flavorful, so it doesn't taste fake or anything. It's really actually quite refreshing, and I think it's orange flavor. Yeah, it really just tastes like you took a couple of orange wedges and put them in your water. It's really refreshing. Yeah, I really like that. So I know I'm not on a hike, but I decided to try out my RX bar today. I'm going out to dinner in just a few hours, and I just wanted a little snack. So I thought, what a perfect occasion to try out this RX bar that came in last month's Nomadik box. So let's try it out. So this is what the bar looks like. It is chocolate sea salt is the flavor. I don't like the salt. I don't know if you can see those white spots, but it has huge granules of salt. Oh, which I'm not a fan of. I like the chocolate. Oh, I just don't like the texture of the bar. It's
way too like sticky. Like it sticks all over your teeth. I like that it has nuts in it. It's not my favorite thing. It's not my favorite thing at all. And I haven't tried this particular flavor, but I have tried other RX bars. And I found the same sort of thing. I just don't like the texture. And I think it's because of the egg whites. As you can see, this has 3 egg whites in it. So, yeah, not my favorite thing. But it does have 12 grams of protein, which is cool. 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no BS.
Okay, so this month's box is a little bit smaller than the last box I received. I think the last box was like this big. It was pretty large and I was pretty excited. So let's see what's in this box. Ooh, okay. Not a lot of items. 3 items? I'm a little bit disappointed in that, honestly. 3 items is not a lot. Okay, so yeah, they really only list 3 items. So they give you this really cute little brochure here. They do have brand discounts on the back as well. And then every month they have a challenge. So this month we want to promote group adventures. Hiking with a friend or having a group on your next trip is much more enjoyable and safer. Winner each get an exclusive Nomadik box with $60 worth of gear you haven't received. And then they give you like the challenge rules, which is cool. So you always have like a chance to win something. So yeah, let's see these 3 items. I'm a little, 3 items is not a lot, honestly, especially compared to last month. We have Forager Bandana, Insect Shield, Repellent Apparel. That's kind of neat. So that is what it looks like. And, oh, it's infused with permethrin. Okay. I always feel like permethrin should smell. So this is a bandana infused with permethrin. Oh, and that's cool. So the bandana has different plants on it, and then it has information about each plant, although the font that the information is printed with is so bold that it kind of bleeds together and you can't really read it. I apologize for the lighting change, by the way. It is like going from sunny to cloudy, and I just cannot control that. So, but this is what I mean about the font. You see that it's so bold that it kind of bleeds together. But this is cool. It's a bandana. I'm not a huge bandana wearer. I have like 2 bandanas. One I just got to cover my tattoo when I was hiking because it was brand new. And then I have a bandana that I use for a pee rag. But obviously this has permethrin in it, so I'm not going to use this as a pee rag. It's nice and soft. It's a really nice soft bandana. It's just not really my color and my style, but it's pretty cool. And then we have Double Mint Cast Style Wash, all-in-one biodegradable soap. So this is very similar to Dr. Bronner's. You can wash dishes, laundry. You can use it in the bath and on pets. So this is like exactly like Dr. Bronner's. So yeah, this is what that looks like. There we go. Dr. Bronner's in this small container costs like $2.50. So not super impressed with this box, honestly. Last but not least, we have a Yuko 100 lumens headlamp. So it's 3 ounces, so it weighs exactly as much as my Black Diamond headlamps. Yeah, so it's super lightweight. It's really cute. It's not one of those like rechargeable ones that I got in my Cairn box, which is nice because that really didn't last very long. Oh, and it came with batteries. That's cool. Okay, so the band comes separate. So here's the band. The band is actually really nice. Yeah, the band is super, super nice. And then you just click this on to the band. Oh, this is so cool. This is actually a really cute, pretty lightweight headlamp, honestly. So getting the batteries in is super easy. You just open that. It's super easy to open. whereas on my Black Diamond, it's like actually pretty hard to open. It's always nice to have another headlamp. Honestly, the headlamp that I currently have in my day pack for like emergencies, and I have used it actually a lot recently, is not very good. It's a very, very old Petzl headlamp, and it just isn't just not bright like anymore at all. This might be the new lamp that goes into my day pack. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, that's bright. Okay, so that's off. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. So the only thing I will say, it does not have the red light setting. Yeah, it just has low, medium, and high. So that is actually not great, because a lot of the time when you're backpacking, you want to have that red light setting for when you go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. You don't disturb other backpackers sleeping in their tent and stuff if you have something like this super bright. But other than that, this is really, really cool. I really like the design of this. This pops forward like that, and so you can direct the light however you want, which is really cool. You don't have to like, you know, do this with your head, and like you just go like that. Super easy. So yeah, I really like this. This is really nice, except that it doesn't have the red light setting, but other than that, I really like the style of it. It's super cute, and it's definitely going in my day pack. Another thing I like is that you have to like push on it pretty hard, so this isn't accidentally gonna like turn on in my backpack, because you actually have to push it pretty hard. So that's a plus. That is it, honestly, guys. 3 items, a little disappointed. I know this item is probably pretty expensive, but still, it would have been nice to maybe have a snack or something. Like, these 2 items just are pretty cheap, honestly, and just is like the value in this particular box just isn't there. It would have been nice to like have a couple of bars or something also included. I think that would have, I mean, it doesn't really boost the value that much, but it would have kind of felt like there's more. That's just my opinion on this box. I really, really, really liked the last box that I received. So I do have a coupon code if any of you are interested in trying the Nomadik box. I do have a 10% off coupon code. It is linked below, so you guys can try out. You know, they have month to month, they have a 6-month, they have a year. You obviously save more money if you sign up for the full year, but again, you don't have to. You can do month to month and then quit at any time, which is really nice. You don't have to feel obligated to sign up for a lengthy amount of time. I will do my best to try out these 3 items. It is mosquito season, so I might take the bandana on my next hike tomorrow, see, you know, how well it works, maybe tie it around myself, my neck or something, just, or areas where I like tend to get, you know, bit a lot, and see really how the permethrin works. I'll try out the soap, maybe compare it to Dr. Bronner's. I know a lot of backpackers use Dr. Bronner's. A lot of you guys probably know how Dr. Bronner's works and stuff like that. So I will use that little soap, compare it to Dr. Bronner's, and then I will use the headlamp. I will take it in a couple of weeks. I'm going just for a one-nighter, just to try out some of my gear for the PCT. So I will take it and do some footage then, try it out, see how it works, and then I'll report back when I get my next box and put all that footage in that video so you guys can see and hear how these items worked. Again, if you're interested in the Nomadik box, there is the coupon code below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you on the next adventure.